And we're working question number 6, I believe. Maybe 5. Yeah, let's talk about 5. Construct an isosceles trapezoid such that the measure of angle Z is 60 degrees. 60 degrees is one of the angles that we're able to construct with just the compass and straight edge. Okay, so what I like to do, of course, is sketch out what it is that I'm trying to do first. And then we go in with our compass and our straight edge to try to figure out how to do that. Someone want to catch the front lights right up there? Okay. So I want to make an isosceles trapezoid. And angle, what does it say over here? Angle Z, I think, is 60 degrees. So that has to be one of the two acute base angles on this isosceles trapezoid. 60 degrees, a 60-degree angle. So what does that make the top two base angles then? 120, 120. All right, so this has to be Z, and since this thing is called zoid, this could be Z-O-I-D this way, or I could have gone the other way. All right, and then of course this top and the bottom have to be parallel. I can get that with just using the same compass setting whenever I create a 60-degree angle, because the 60-degree angle, that comes from making an equilateral triangle. All right, so that's how we'll start. And it doesn't give us any specifications for the side lengths. So I'll just start with some base length, some random base length here. And we'll call this point over here a Z. And this one over here on this side a D. Yeah, okay, a D. So all we have to do is just pick any compass setting that we want to. And I'm going to make an arc, kind of like a quarter circle centered at Z. So I'll stab my pencil into Z. Pencil, make an arc starting at the line, going upwards. And then I'm going to do it in the exact opposite direction. So if I had completed this, this would turn this into an equilateral triangle. So I'll put my pencil on that first intersection point. My point. My pencil should end up at Z. Make an arc going upwards to meet the other one. And again, that's how we made our equilateral triangle. So if I were to connect those, that's what it makes. But all I need to do is connect these 2 points. I'll put a point of intersection here, and then I'll call that one O. Connect that back to Z. And now I just do that same exact thing over here at point D. Use the same compass setting, don't change anything. Make an arc centered at Z, like a quarter circle. Flip the compass around it in the exact opposite direction. This new point of intersection, that one's point I. And now just connect the rest of our points, I to D, and then I to O. And I've just created myself an isosceles trapezoid with angle Z and angle D being 60 degrees each, and angle I and angle O up here being 120 degrees each.